Okay, Drew, I'm taking a picture of the roof, and what's so interesting about it is that, yeah, the slope is fine from the beginning to the end, but it's the middle that's the problem, right in here. You see how it sinks? It's right in the middle that where it's indentation, and we're trying to figure out now why in the middle there's that indentation, and it could be because they might need to put a pillar there to hold it up, or I don't know, but this is the indentation right there. It just goes down. Hope you can see it. I mean, it right there, it goes right in the middle, it goes down.